Welcome back to the channel, Fancy Beauties and Bows. We are going to color our hair today. I'm using the Caramel Blonde color by Revlon. Now, I do have to apologize ahead of time because the clip of me actually applying the product to my hair is missing. I don't know what happened to it, but it's not here. But only thing I did is I applied the serum to the ends of my hair before I put the color actually onto the hair. So here you're just seeing me comb through, section off and comb through my natural hair. Reason I'm doing this is because the blonde that I have, which I accomplished that using bleach, it's making my hair dry. It's not really like breaking off, but I can tell like in the crown of my head, like in the back area, it's the length of it is shorter. So I do believe that I experienced some breakage behind that coloring. So I went back and forth if I wanted to do black or if I wanted to do this color. So as you can see right here, right in the middle there, it's kind of thin. It's not thin, but it's shorter than the other lengths of my hair. But this made it feel a lot better, a lot healthier. So I'm glad I did go ahead and go with another color. I just didn't want to do black. It's like blah, you know. So yeah, I chose this and I kind of like it. Alright, so we've already washed our hair, got everything out, deep conditioned, and the whole nine. So I'm just going through with my oils, and I do have a video about what oils I use on my hair. So I'm just going through and coating my hair, especially the ends and my scalp area, with that oil just to make sure that I protect it and I get it as healthy as I can from even using this color. So I just want to make sure I'm protecting my hair as much as possible.
Need a helper. You should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better.
So we have the oils placed on the hair, and I'm just going to go through and carefully comb through the tangles and get ready for prepping the hair for a style. Okay, so now we have most of the comb through process out of the way, and we're just going to move into getting our hair styled so it can air dry. I'm going to use a stretching technique. I've never done it before, so I'm not sure if I'm doing it correctly, but I'm just taking the hair and just twisting it, just a two strand twist, and then I'm taking some elastic bands and just wrapping it throughout the hair. This is not going to straighten my hair, but what it's going to do is just kind of define that curl a little bit more for me, and then that's it. We'll be able to just go, just style it and go, and that's what we want, something nice and easy. I just want to see how this color is going to wear on my skin tone. So I'm not really concerned at this point with too much styling. I just want to get something that's halfway decent, and then I could take a look and see what other areas we can move into as far as styling is concerned. So at this point, guys, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna let you guys finish watching it, me styling it and everything like that for the next day, which is where I have to get ready and go to work. Y'all know the drill. It's the same thing all the time. So until the next video, guys, I will see you soon. Make sure that you leave your questions for the question and answer. Leave it in the comment section in this video. I'm going to do a separate one, of course, just in case, you don't get to the end or get this far to hear me say. Put your comments down there or your questions down below. Stay focused on God. Stay prayerful. Stay positive. Always, always, always. And stay what? Stay fancy. And I'll see you soon. Stay blessed, y'all.